This is a Samsung model number Ln40A550P3f. It had a power on issue. I'm going to take out the back cover and show you what to fix. Okay, as soon as you take the back cover off, this is your inverter board, this is your backlight, this is your power supply, this is your digital board. It controls your video and your display. And this is what's called a T-Con board. The issue we're having right now is with the power supply board. And what you generally want to do is look on these, and this guy here is called a capacitor. You see this little cylinder thing standing up. Each of those are capacitors. And a lot of the times that these TV unit capacitors are what's going to be the problem. You can tell right now these here are flat. This is just a coil and that's a coil. And you can see that this is puffed up, both of them. So that's what the issue is right there. And I believe, if I can see, I think those are 2200 microfarad. Can't see. These are 2200 microfarads or the 1000 microfarads. But when I take them off, I'll find out what value they are and replace them, and it should work. Since it's a wall mount, you can't necessarily set it up against the wall with no stand. Power it on. They said it took 15 minutes for this to turn on. There's the light down below. Should be getting the picture soon. There it is. 15 minutes going down to 15 seconds. There you have it. Hope this fixes your TV. Let me know in the description field if it does. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.